Yo, what's good, YouTube gang? It's your boy Jambisco. Yo, Dan family. We back into the music lab with a hit and a smash and a banger. From who? The artist. This artist, very new to the channel. This is my first time reacting to this artist. This is the first time listen for me. This one has been highly requested. You know what I'm saying? I'm just not getting around to it. People probably wondering how, it's not, I'm just not getting around to it. You know what I'm saying? Apparently this is a big artist that's well loved, you know what I'm saying? So we're going to check it out and see what's going on. And I think he passed away as well. I'm not sure. So let me know in the comment section. Let me know more about this artist, guys. Where he come from, what's going on with him when he passed away. Let me know all about Wacko in the comments, guys. Help your boy out, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, man, guys. So we're going to check this one out. This one has been highly requested. But before we jump into the guys, I just want to thank you for being active, man. Thank you for being active in the comments. Thank you for hitting that like and subscribe button. Thank you for helping the boy grow. You know what I'm saying? I'm only 100 away from 2K right now. So I would appreciate if you hit that like and subscribe button. Share this, tell a friend. You know what I'm saying? Just 100 away from 2K. You know what I'm saying? And once I hit 2K, it's road to 10K. We're not even stopping at 5K. You know what I'm saying? So yes, guys, only 100 away from 2K. So just help your boy out, hit that like and subscribe button. You know what I'm saying? So hit that go. But yeah, man, guys, like I said today, this one has been highly requested. This is Wacko. You see me, Guns and Drugs. We're gonna check it out and see what's going on. You know what I'm saying? Apparently Wacko is a big artist. Apparently I think he passed away recently due to the beef between 6 and 7. I might be getting it wrong, guys. Clarify in the comment section. Let me know what's going on. Fill me in. You don't know. Yeah, man, guys. But yeah, he's a bad artist and everybody love him. So we're gonna check it out and see what's going on. This is Wacko, Guns and Drugs. Let's get it.
Hey, pussy, I know you remember this song. West Bank full of gun like the Navy. Like who know what me get talk. My mom and I have heart, but I really want to watch. Check my pon the West Bank.
Oh, this bad man. Yeah, man. West Bank full of gun like the Navy. And I take talk. I'm totally. I like the vibe. I like the energy coming off of it.
Full of gun like the Navy. Me know you know that. And I nothing fi rise with this couple explosion. But I left my 4-5 and I stop set my potion.
Dog, then you got pounds coming in, easy no man. You got packs coming in, dog. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man.
Really like for this life, bodies on the ocean. Never like whole grudge, but my love for whole gun. Fully 6WS. I had the fuck.
Them niggas doing it for real. Them niggas ain't playing, bro. Them niggas ain't playing. Them niggas do, bro. I'm telling you. I know. You know what I'm saying? These that shit zip up. You know, zip lock, seal. These niggas ain't playing.
Slogan. Los Kelly down at Chicago, you know the links, large guns and drugs in the cargo. So we stack cash, man. I really value the music was my last chance, but the fucker them a drama back in.
I said guns and man, drugs in the easy no man.
I'm a damn pass. I wanna hum like was all of the guns blast. Friends them not do the talk up them busted and laugh. Yo killer them don't know when the shutters in 5 enough.
Say friend them don't talk or busted and laugh. Killers don't know when the shutters them involved. To no man. Hey.
Cash pon them mad and the murder can't solve. Now make me have to send for the guns them. My dog them will kill for free, so where you feel them I go do for couple thousands. Now make
send for my guns them. My dog them will kill for free, so yeah I think them I go do for couple thousands. Hey, behave no man.
My call for puppy sex, my real dunce friend. For walk over your base and lift the K with whole 100.
Then call him puppy set a real dunce friend. What happened? Yo, easy.
That's how we catch dead ups. Part long time, plus we got cash, so we no fake ups. If you really want a lick pussy gaze up. Watch it up and make your mommy tears up. Yeah, free killer, free F man, sex than a real killer. On the West Bank, we stack cash and squeeze triggers.
On the West Bank, we stack cash and squeeze triggers. This a flow. Dog vibe was hard, man. Damn. I hope did he really pass away, guys? Let me know in the comment section, man. Damn. Dog talented, man. That song are bad. I feel this one hard.
we stack cash and squeeze John at Chicago. You know the links, large guns and drugs in the cargo. So we stack cash, man, I really value the music was my last chance. But the fucker them will draw me back into my damn past. Them wanna hum me like what, so love hear the guns blast. Friends them not do the talk up, them bust it and laugh. Yo, killer them don't know when the shutters in five. Enough cash pon them head and the murder can't solve.
Enough cash pon them head and murder can't solve. I don't believe in the past. Easy Wacko. I like the vibe of this dog, you know what I'm saying? I got some blood clean when he stack over bricks.
The big things that I go now. Money now start make the drugs land now. E6G we go on the whole land now. Time for lock the corporate, well that's the plan now.
So money start make drugs land now. We start time for lock the corporate world now. Easy now. I was trying to go. I was trying to take his money and go straight now. He's trying to turn his money, washing money to legit.
West Bank, we get cash and spend that. Make it right back with no effort at all. Sex is real, but I'm not for
cash and spend cash. Make it back with no effort at all. So them a bad mind dog.
Get that, yo, killer West Bank, we got.
But that's about 6.
No effort at all. Sex is real, but I not forget that. Yo, killer West Bank, we got the whole Kelly.
Oh, that's a 6 is real. You can't forget that. 60 dogs, say easy now, man.
At Chicago, you know the links, large guns and drugs in the cargo. So we stack cash, man, I really value the music was my last chance. What the fuck are them, I draw me back into my damn past.
The man say, yo, me did a real evil youth. Music was my last chance. But the fuck are them carry me back into the past. Damn. So that was trying to go legit with the music, dog. Damn. That's
I know how me like what, so love hear the guns blast. Friends them not do the talk up, them bust it and laugh. Yo, killer them don't know when the shutters in five. Enough cash pon them head and the murder can't solve.
You know when the killers shutters involved.
Check my body response.
See, enough cash pon the head and the murder can't solve. You hear that? Boop boop boop. That bad people. Only two other one. That was Wacko done. Guns and Jugs. That was hard, guys. Let me know what y'all think about that one. Yeah, man. Wacko done. Guns and Jugs. Really dope track. Guys, let me know what y'all think about that one, man. Yeah, man. That one that dope. I like that one. I'm not lie. Yeah, that was a vibe. You know what I'm saying? So let me know what you think about that one in the comment section. Go ahead, drop your comments, drop the fire emoji. Let me know where you're watching from. You know what I'm saying? If I like it, definitely go show the artist some love and support. Let me know if I can Jambisco and send you. You know, and we're going strong over here, guys. Like I said, I'm only 100 away from 2K. You know what I'm saying? So either like and subscribe button. Once I hit 2K, we'll to 10K. We're not going to stop at 5K. You know what I'm saying? I don't know. Vibe or energy over us is crazy on match, and it never stop. You know what I'm saying? Trust me. We're going to start getting videos back to back. You see me? Videos are going to chop like rapid. You know what I'm saying? Like rapid, bro. You know what I'm saying? So stay tuned. I don't want to miss out on the vibes. Trust me. We're just getting started, man. We're about to turn up over here. Dan Mafia, Dan family. We just getting started, man. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah, man, guys. Drop in the comments. Drop a request. Like always, if we get chosen, you will see your comments and requests on screen. You don't know. Until next time, guys. It's your boy Jambisco. I was here now. Hit and smash on banger. Till next time, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys. And I'm out.